Namaste, Sasriyakal, Adab Game Show. I'm Road Tractor Pritpal Lamba from Road Track Club of Lala Lajpat Rai College, and I welcome you all to our very own short series of interesting things you should know about Amchi, Mumbai. In this new episode, we will talk about what is it like to be one and roam around like a true Mumbaiker. So, let's get started.
There are various ways of transport in Mumbai. Today, we will talk about few. So let's start with bus. In Mumbai, the bus services are provided by the government and various private entities. There are around 1,150 such buses running throughout the city. In order to commute through government buses, you could download the Chalo app wherein you can fill your location and destination and it will recommend the bus you should take. It allows you to track the bus, know the expected time of arrival, know whether the bus is crowded or not, and even allows you to make payments through e-wallet platforms. There are other companies like City Flow, Shuttle, etc. which provide daily commute services. The next comes Mumbai Metro. Up till now, the metro services in Mumbai are only restricted to a particular route, that is, Versova to Ghatkopar. It stops at total of 12 stations. You can refer the M-Indicator app as it shows the complete map of Mumbai Metro. To buy tickets, you can approach the ticket counters or use a feature provided on the Paytm app wherein you can purchase the ticket online. Now let's talk about the lifeline of Mumbai, the Mumbai Railways. So, there are 3 railway lines in Mumbai, the Central, Western and the Harbour line. Trains in Mumbai are divided into 2 types, slow and fast. The fast stops at only particular stations, while the slow trains stops at all the stations. First, let's talk about the Central line. The Central line intersects the Western at Dadar station only. It intersects the Harbour line at Kurla and Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Terminus station. It also intersects at Sandus Road and Majid Bandar, but the fast train doesn't stop at these stations. So if needed, you could switch lines through these stations. The Western line and the Harbour line joins at fast stations of Andheri and Bandra and slow stations of Villeparle, Santa Cruz, Khar Road and Mahim. The Harbour line is the railway line which connects Navi Mumbai, that is New Mumbai, to the Old Mumbai. There is also a Trans Harbour line which connects the Central and the Harbour railway line. It starts from Thane and ends at Vashi and Panvel. You can buy tickets and create a monthly, quarterly or yearly pass offline by going to the ticket counter at any station and online through UTS app provided by the government. I know the railways might sound a bit complicated, but you can always use the M-Indicator app and understand railways a bit better. While travelling, you can reach out to the help desk at the stations or ask your fellow travellers to guide you. The people in Mumbai might be busy or in a hurry, but they'll definitely help you. There are many other modes of transport like autos, taxis, monorails and two-wheeler transport services like Rapido, Ola Bike, etc. For understanding all those a bit better, links will be provided down in the description. Also, a side note to add, auto rickshaws are not allowed in Greater Mumbai area, that is the area lying between Sain Mahim to Navi Nagar. In other words, auto rickshaws are allowed to play only Mumbai suburban district, that is Bandra, Sain to Daisar, Mulund and so on.
Hope you liked our short and fun series. If you haven't checked out our other videos, the link for them will be in the description. And to know more about our club, don't forget to follow us on our Instagram. Until then, thank you.